missed me? Did you see my tail? It's such an amazing story. Remember how I became a famous designer? I decided to follow another dream and became a mermaid. As you can see, it worked. It's so cool. Now I'll show you exactly how I did it. Ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, you're watching LaLiLu. Oh, this is a special Lali meal. It's close. For mermaids only. Gotta think of something. Oh, I know what might work. Ocean water. Wow, something's happening. It worked! I'm a mermaid! Awesome! And here's our little key. Thanks, little one. All right, let's open it. Got it! Whoa, something's trying to get out. I'm tired of being stuck inside. It's Lali. Hi there, future mermaid. What? I'm gonna be a mermaid? Yep, let's do a makeover. What do we have here? Wow, ocean secrets. What are we waiting for? Open it already. There can only be one mermaid here. Let's try drying you off. Ah! I'm human again. Oh no, Lali! Gotcha! There we go. Let's open the shell first. Cut it open. Oops, something's wrong with the scissors. LaLiLu, you need something special for this. A mermaid whistle. A meerkat, hi! And how will the kitty help? With its sharp claws, of course. Only a sea creature can open this. Done. Let's see what's inside. These look like pearls. It's thermoplastic. Pouring it out. Done. Step 2, now we add hot water. Wow, the granules start melting in the heat. Is this my bath? Hey, wait a second. Why? This isn't a bath. It's a special underwater material for mermaids. I'll shape it around the legs and form a tail. I also made a cool fin, painting it with nail polish. A little blue, and done. Now the second packet. What's inside? Looks like scales. Lali, stay still. Sprinkle them on top of the tail, and a bit more. Lali turned into a beautiful mermaid. What a look! Strong fin, stylish hair. The outfit is clean and bold, just gorgeous. Hey, Lali, coming out to play?
Huh?
Of course! But how am I supposed to walk? Hey, don't worry. We just need to dry you off. Done.
Whoa!
Perfect, I've got my legs back. Awesome. Let's go to the playground. Yes. Whoa! Come on, why did you stop? What? Hey, Lali? What if everyone finds out I'm a mermaid and doesn't like me? Everything will be fine. I'm with you. Really? Thank you. The slide, it's so fun. We're next in line. Climb up, girls. That's it, Rooney. Lali, your turn. Here I go. Go for it. Oops, it's starting to rain. I'm sliding. This is so fun. Oh, a puddle.
Ah!
Oh no, I'm soaked. Oh, my tail. Wait, are you a mermaid? Now they won't want to be friends. We love mermaids. Woohoo! Wait, really?
Wow!
Of course. I want to be a mermaid too.
Check this out!
You make a great mermaid. Come on, let's go on the rides. Yay! Guys, I'm coming. Hey, not so fast. I can't run. I'll help, but first let's stop by the workshop. Voila, look what we have here. It's a special growth chart. Why is it special? Hey, nothing's happening. Come on. Lali, bestie, wait. Oh no, I really wanted a new look. Don't worry, I'll figure something out. Look at this beautiful pearl. Wow, it says +5.
Whoa!
Closing the shell. Now we just wait a little. So, did it work? Wow, you're adorable. Love it, total vibe. But these legs need to become a tail. I need my notebook for this. It always has great ideas. Okay, now I'll show a full tutorial on how to make a mermaid tail. My pencil case, markers for every taste. I'll take blue. Hop. Yeah, hop.
A few moments later.
Now it's working. Finally. Tracing the doll outline. Okay, sketch is ready. I'll tear the page out to make it easier. Now we cut the tail. I can do that. Snip, snip. Done. So cool. What? Oh, what's that? Looks interesting. Let's check. I knew it. This is tail material. Pinning the template and cutting along the edges. Sewing the halves by hand. Is it ready? Yep, try it on. Perfect. Oh no, the seahorse is tangled in the net. Let me help. There, one, and we can use the net. Wrapping the tail, and now it's done. Oh wait, where's the fin? Hold on. Oh, these laces are perfect. Folding them together and sealing the edges. Need to treat them. Again.
A few moments later.
Oh, got it. Slightly melt the ends. Done. Same on the other side. Clamp. Cut. Heat. I'm a bit clumsy today. Now we've got fin halves. Attach them to the tip and done. Oh, did you see that? Is there treasure here? Did someone say treasure? I'm coming! My tail can handle it. Wow, a chest. Let's open it. So pretty. And so many accessories. Let's add a pearl belt. Decorating the tail. Final touches. 10 out of 10. The look is amazing. So many details. I love it. Time for school. Hey Siri, what's the weather?
In the historic capital of France, it's plus 25 degrees Celsius. Perfect weather for blooming season. And across the US, it's plus 30.
No rain! Awesome! Then let's dry the tail. Wipe it well. Nice! Your ride is here. Hop in. LaLiLu, let's go! Full speed ahead. We're here. Perfect. What a beautiful day. Hey, they said sunshine. What? Oh my, you've grown so much. Just yesterday you were tiny. Don't cry, LaLiLu. Let's take a picture. Come on, smile. Aw. Oh, bye-bye. Good luck at school. My first day. Yay! There's so much here. Why are you all standing here? Waiting for Huntrix.
Yeah.
Look, here they are. Huntrix, please welcome your favorite band on stage. Wow, I love their style.
What? Where's Huntrix?
Ready? Let's start the show.
Hey.
And I told her, if bananas are on the table, they're for everyone.
Yeah.
That's right, bro. Oops, oh, my cola.
Huh? Oh no, not this. Phew, dodged it. Oops. Want to sing with us? Of course, it's my dream. Lali, it's starting to rain. Shine behind the mirror, brighter than the stars. Skill is my crown. Oh no! Wow, did you see that? Mermaids are the biggest trend.
Where are the mermaids?
Do you really like my tail? Yes, it's gorgeous. Can we take a picture? Now Lali is the center of attention.
Wait, I don't get it. Where are the mermaids?
And now a photo with Huntrix. Why am I the one who can't see? High five. Everyone loves Lali's tail. Thanks for the support. Phew, finally time to relax. Oh wow, this is awesome. Love it. Hey, Lali, what are you doing here? Watching my video? Pretty cool, right? Wait, you haven't seen it? Yeah, that's kind of cringe. Looks like you didn't enjoy it much. Easy, Lali. Look, I even left a like here. Oh, well, then that's fine. You can like it too.
Hey.
Yep, and now we keep going. Time to get to work. Where do we start? With a brand new look.
Wow.
I've got a checklist for Mermaid Lali. Hair, top, tail, and accessories. Wow, that's a lot to do.
Whoa.
Don't worry, it'll be great. Just close your eyes. Lali, you're not peeking, right? Hey, I said no peeking. Okay, I'm not looking now. Let's make you look amazing real quick. All right, styling the hair. Can I look now?
Amazing.
Wow, that's such a fancy style. It turned out amazing. I love it.
Woohoo.
Perfect, first step done. Now a top for a real mermaid. Here's the fabric. Stitching it by hand and adding gathers. Right in the center. Decorating with shells. A little scale detail on the arms, and we can check it off. Yep, marking it done. Next, the most important part, the tail. We already made one today, remember? Placing the doll on the fabric and tracing it. Who's ticklish here? Stop! All right, enough playing. Time to cut. Just like this. Carefully. Done. Now we sew the halves together. I'll do it by hand. No need for the machine. Voila! Time to try it on. The tail fits perfectly, just like I planned. What about the scales? Oh, I forgot those. 1 second, I've got something. Hold on. Perfect mesh. wrapping the tail. Gorgeous! Decorating the belt with trim.
Oh, LaLiLu, how do I swim without a fin?
Let's make one from felt. Placing the template and tracing it. Now the second piece. Yep. Great, just need to cut it out. Attaching it to the tail tip.
Something's missing.
Let's add some fins on top. Perfect. But that's not all. I've got some shiny organza. Cutting a piece and gathering it. Yep, like this. Adding glue to the edge and attaching it on the side. Decorating with shells. We can add a few more. Looks stunning.
Can I check off the third item?
Of course, go ahead.
Tail done. We did it!
Woohoo! Only accessories left. Pop! Necklace on. Adding a shell. Aw, Lali looks adorable.
Thank you.
That's it. Checklist complete. Marking the last box. Oh no, we're running out of time.
Right, I have to get to the beach. Let's swim.
Oh, hold on. That won't work.
Why not?
You can't go like that with your tail.
So what do I do?
We need to dry it. My hair dryer will handle it. Done.
Awesome. All right, I'm off to relax. Sand, waves, finally.
Woohoo! Lie down and relax. Whoa.
Sun loungers, total chill. Oh, LaLiLu, the sun is so bright here.
Here are your sunglasses. Let me help you put them on.
Nice, that's much better. You always need SPF in the sun.
Applying sunscreen to Lali's face.
I'm so comfy. This is so relaxing. Look, a ball.
Wanna play?
Yes. Go get it.
Over here! Here comes a super shot. Get ready, and boom!
That really was a super shot. Oh no, the ball flew straight into the sea.
Oh no, how can we get it back? Huh? Oh, what's that noise? Guys, what happened? Our ball flew into the sea. I'll try to help.
Their mood instantly lifted.
That's better, right? I'll grab the ball now. Watch this.
Lali swims like a real fish.
I can see it already. You won't even blink. Go, Lali, go! Got it, did you see? Catch it and don't lose it again. Thank you. Happy to help. Wow, did you see that? What an amazing tail. We want to swim like you too. Lali, teach us. I'd love to, but I don't have the right equipment.
Don't worry, I've got this. I'll need some chenille wire. Let me pick, yep, definitely pink. Twisting a regular one with a sparkly one. Now we've got a cute cord. Shaping it into a ring, connecting the ends. I'll make 2 smaller ones. Perfect. Now I need a straw. Yep, this one works. A drop of glue on the tip and attach the ring. Placing them on the shells. Easy peasy. With rings, learning to swim is way more fun.
Welcome to my swimming school.
And here's the training gear.
Just what we need.
High five, bestie.
All right, I'm the teacher now. Gotta be serious. Girls, everyone over here. We're here, Miss Lali. Yay. Today we're learning how to swim. Awesome. You need to swim through these rings. Like this. Hop. See? It's super easy. Wow, that was so cool. Thank you, girls. Now it's your turn. It's easier than it looks. Then me, I'll go first. Good job, you've got this. Thank you, Miss Lali. I'm ready. Hop, almost. Got it, now the next ring. Great, one more left. I did it! See, well done. Now you girls. I won't be able to do it.
Come on, we are here.
Okay, oh, this ring is so small. How do I can't do it. Oops. Want me to help? Like this, slowly. I did it, yes! See, great. Mermaids, you all did amazing. You swam through every training ring. I knew you could do it. Now you can relax. We have a surprise for you. I'm so proud of you. And we're proud of you too. Let's dance together.
Write in the comments which look you liked most. See you soon. Bye-bye.